Hi, Sam YouTube Millionaire. Today I will show you how to basic router configuration and I use Packet Tracer. Okay, so I drop my network topology here. In the middle is the green color. Is the network is 172.16.20.0/30, and on cell LAN on the right hand side is the network 172.16.30.0/24, and left hand is the engineering LAN. This network is 172.16.10.0/24. Okay, so right now is I want to configure the set router. Okay, click here and click on CLI because I want to use the command line to configuration. Okay, click, and here the message here is continue with configuration dialog. Yes, no, it's type no. Okay, and I want to go to the preview mode. I click I type enable EAN, and you can tap your keyboard and tap keyboard. Okay, and then if for you enter. All right, now is I want to set up the local time on the router. Is the command is a clock set. Okay, right now is 11:28 00:14, and this month is December. Okay, December 2018. Okay, enter. All right, now is you want to go to the global mode. Is the command is a config and tab. Okay, and terminal. Okay, config terminal. Now is we go to the global mode. Okay, and set at the router name. All right, host name. Okay, host name, and set. All right, set. So you see the router from here change to set router, right? Okay, now turn off the name resolution or unnecessary command is not recognized or spelling mistake, something like that. Okay, type no IP, no IP domain, no IP domain, lookup. All right, enter, and create a login banner for the router. Okay, banner login. Okay, this is the set router auto recite access only. Right, and type the pound sign to enter. So set the time zone to is standard zone. Okay, clock tab time zone is a EST -5. All right, for UTC zone. Okay, enter, and then it's enable the password for the Cisco. Okay, enable secret tab. You can type any it's password, but this one for running purpose I use Cisco. Okay, type Cisco, and then it's enter. All right, create a tag password will be hiding using a weak encryption. Okay, service password encryption. Okay, enter, and then it's enter the line console 0. Okay, enter, log in, synchronous, enter. All right, and set the password to class passwords class, enter, log in. Okay, and now is we move to the virtual terminal line 0 to 4. Okay, line VTY 0 to 5, enter. To 5, okay, because 0, and then we count to not 5, okay, count to 4 because we count from 0. Okay, 0, okay, passwords, class, enter. All right, and log in, enter. Now the line auxiliary 0, we need to set the password because it's the backdoor. If you don't you know, it's assign the password, somebody is plug in and they can go online. Okay, because some people can use the auxiliary port to go online too. Okay, and then enter, passwords, class, okay, enter, and log in. So now it's move back to the global mode. Is the command is exit. Okay, exit. Now we move back to the global mode. So we want to turn off the passwords encryption. Okay, no service passwords encryption, enter. All right, now we want to configure the fast. Okay, move a little bit over here. We want to move the port right here. Okay, and the IP address is 172.16.10.1 here, this one /24. Okay, here the command is interface, right? Interface fast 0/0, enter. Okay, and we have to you know, put some decryption. All right, decryption engineering, right? Engineering LAN. Okay, decryption a little bit, and the IP address is 172.16.10.1 and /24 is 255.255.255.0, right? Is subnet, enter. And now is you see here is a red. We want to turn to green. The command is no shutdown. Okay, now is, you see here is turn to green, and you also receive the message from the command line also. Okay, right here. And after that, no shutdown, and then now we want to configure this port. Okay, we configured this port already, and then now we want to configure the serial port. All right, interface, and just type X, and serial port is 0/1/0, right here, the port here, right here. Okay, and then enter and put some decryption, a little bit decryption, link to what? Detroit, right? Detroit router. All right, and enter. And the IP address is here, 172.16.20.1. okay, 172.16.20.1, right? And /30 is the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252, right? Enter. And here is DCE port. Here we need to set up the clock lane. All right, clock rate set to 56000, enter, and the command no shutdown, okay, enter. Okay, is you receive the message state that is interface 0/1/0 change to down right here, but you won't see until you config this Detroit router over here, okay. And IP host is IP host the IP host is 172.16.20, I believe .2. Oh, okay, here .2, right? Enter. IP host IP, I believe is it right. I did something wrong. Oh, sorry, I have to exit out to global mode. Okay, IP host 172.16.20.2, enter. Incomplete on command. What is it? IP host. All right, IP host, and the router is a Detroit. Sorry, guy. 172.16.20.2, enter. All right, it's okay. And exit. Okay, exit out. Now is you need to copy. Okay, copy. Set to NVLAN, right? Copy, running, configuration, startup. Okay, config. Okay, enter. All right, show run. Okay, we show run config and see what we config, right? Okay, here. Let me check. Okay, the secret, you see here the secret, you won't see the password, right? Host name and domain lookup Detroit. Okay, from here you look up this IP address and interface 0/0, the IP address is okay, right? Okay, here. And the default owner is the subnet mask here, and interface 0/1. Okay, no IP address. All right, IP class no shutdown. Okay, it's good. You know, it's here is the password. You see here the password is when we enter is a class, but it's a, you know, it's a, the system won't let you see. You see here, very security. Okay, so now we done this router, right? And we go back to this router, did the same thing, but change the, you know, is the IP. Okay, change the IP for Detroit router. All right, this one is you do the same command but change only the IP address. That's it. Okay, thank you guys, and I think this video is very helpful, and you know, it's you can configure the basic for Cisco router. All right, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.